Hi class, welcome to another great week of Counseling 120. This week we're going to continue to explore those study skills and time management. So this week we're going to start off with an assignment where I actually want you to really look at how you spend your time in a typical week and list that. And there will be an attachment which you could submit via Canvas in terms of how you spend your week. Later in the week, what we're going to do is I want you to critique the way you spend your time and look at it and give feedback on, are there ways that you can use your time more efficiently? Are there no changes to how you would spend your time? So we're going to look at that as well as note taking, and then next week we're going to transition into talking about grit and growth mindset, as well as prepare you for the midterm exam, which will happen in a couple of weeks. So enjoy this week. Look forward to talking with you and participating in the discussions and getting your weekly schedule and calendar assignment.